It's pretty good. One pull. Thing's been sitting for 2 months. Well, since I last started it, probably a month. Well, did I run out of gas? So, this is the gas can that came off the generator. Got a couple bolts here, come off, and a couple bolts down here. Right here. These two and these two. I just put them back in there. So I took this off too, the cover, to work on the rope too. That'll be on a different video. I actually emptied the gas tank completely out, and that's a size hole going into the gas, or coming out of the gas tank anyway. And there's the hose, and there's a couple things that come out of it. I had to take this fitting off. Look how corroded crap that's in that. I'm going to use a pick to get this stuff out. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. See if I can prop the camera up here somehow or another. All right. I don't know if you can see this or not. Get it out of there. Went down the crack here. There it is. So that's what was blocking the fuel from getting down inside there. And this hole here is not very big. It's only about 3/16 of a diameter. And this is, in the old days, they used to have these on like the 5-horse Johnsons, except they had like a T off of it. This one here is just got like a straight piece of metal that somebody heated up and flattened it out, you know. But anyway, they're called petcocks, or pepcock, or I don't know, something like that. Petcock. You can see why they changed the name of it. Or got rid of the name. I don't know. You don't see it on where you buy parts. They call it something else now. But anyway, that's how you shut the fuel off. So I'm going to take this apart. And take this fitting apart here. Ah. If I can do it right here. Yeah, there we go. Looks like I gotta unscrew the thing to get it out of there. Yep. Yep. It's got a little rubber washer on it too. Yeah, still looks good, I guess. It's not leaking, so it might now that I've taken it apart. But if not, we could just put an O-ring on it. It's actually kind of flat on one side and tapered on the other, so I don't think just a regular O-ring would work on this, but it's more of a tapered type thing. Anyway, doesn't look too bad. I'll spray some carb cleaner on it though. All this stuff. Shoot some up in this hole here. up in there. Shoot some carb cleaner, switch it around or something inside the tank real good. Shoot some down this fuel tube here. I don't see where it's cracking at all, so looks like it's still good, but it might have some crud in it. So we'll get all that cleaned up and put it back on the generator and see if when I start it, it'll stay running. Start getting stuff cleaned up here. This chair is kind of low, but as far as you guys, as long as you guys can see what's going on, I'm gonna clean out this. I got some carb cleaner. And I got the air blower here. Let's see, which direction does it go? This way. Okay, that cleaned. Get this cleaned out. Blow some air through it. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Get this put in there. Hey, buddy, shut up. Buddy, quiet. Yeah, I need some pliers. Okay. You can see why I took this barb off of here, because it hits right here. This barb right here. So we'll screw this on first. And get this on. Looks like I'm going to have to put some tape on this. I do have some high temp thread sealant though. "72 hours, so it'll take a while to completely dry up, but this will work for now. And that way I don't have to tighten it all the way. Not like that. And then put some on this one. This one here I can tighten it up. Okay, then I can put this on the barb like that. Tighten this down. Now I can turn this down some more, like that. Close the tank. Okay, put this over here. So the tank is going to go, the arrow should be going this way. Okay, so let's do that. Barb's kind of handy because it has two different sizes. It has the 1/4 and then it has the 5/16 barb. So you got your choice. That's kind of cool. Alright, well, let's get these bolts. Lithium grease. Normally I put anti-seize on it, but we'll see how these hold up. Get that on there. Okay. And pliers. There we go. All right, put some gas in it. Hook up the starter cable. Make sure it's grounded. All right. Well, let's start this thing up. Got a light hooked up to it. Let's see if that works. That definitely needs to be tightened up. If you like the video, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell, and give me a like. Thanks.